Online astrology is gradually replacing traditional astrology, allowing astrologers to reach more users than ever before and fostering a growing trend for astrology apps. Additionally, one-on-one in-app communication has replaced WhatsApp, allowing users to experience the whole process within the app, including one-on-one consultation and payment settlement. This greatly improves communication efficiency between astrologers and users and enhances user engagement. The interface of many astrology apps currently follows a design similar to the one shown. Moreover, with the added benefit of a larger community of users sharing their experiences and insights. This trend is likely to continue as astrology apps become more advanced and user-friendly, providing a more personalized and interactive experience for users. It is no longer just about predicting the future, but also about building a community of like-minded individuals who can share their passions and interests in astrology. Want to know more about online astrology solution? Visit zegocloud.com.